In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update and manage all your font from a single settings panel, allowing you to customize your site to match your branding in minimal time. First, in your Kajabi customizer, you need to go to Settings, and after that, go to the Font Style panel. On the Font Style panel, you can see that we have several groups of fonts. I'm going to explain them one by one. The first one is the pre-heading font. In the preview, you can see this text style. This is the pre-heading font, and it actually uses the H6 HTML tag. I'll explain how everything works in more depth shortly. After that, we have the heading font. In the preview, you can see that this heading style is applied using H1, H2, H3, and H4 HTML tags. Next, we have the subheading font. The subheading font actually uses the H5 HTML tag. So now you know which HTML tag is used for pre-heading, heading, and subheading. To identify which one is being used in the editor, simply click on the text. Here, you can see that this text is using heading 6, so it is a pre-heading. In the same way, if I click on this text, it shows heading 1, which means it is using the main heading style. If you click on H2, H3, or H4, it will reveal the corresponding heading in the editor. The same applies to the subheading, which is heading 5. Lastly, if I click on the body text, it shows paragraph. So now you understand that we've divided all headings into 3 basic groups: pre-heading, heading, and subheading. Any changes you make here will apply across your entire website, saving you a lot of time compared to making changes individually. This is the real power of custom font settings. Now let's try it out. Here, we also have the option to add a custom font, but we'll cover that in a later video. In the font selector, you can see all the fonts available in Kajabi. Let's change this font to Ultra. Now let's change the font weight to bold and set the font style to italic. Below that, we have options for line height and letter spacing. We'll keep them as they are for now, but you can adjust them if needed. Once we've made these changes, we need to click the Save button to apply them. After saving, you can see the changes immediately. Not only that, the updates are applied across the entire site. If we scroll up, you'll notice that all the pre-heading styles have been updated. Now let's change the heading font. I'll select the font Fjalla 1. Set the font weight to bold, keep the style normal, and click Save. You can see that all the heading fonts have changed, not just here, but throughout this page and the entire website. I'm going to do the same for the subheading. I'll select the font dancing script. Set the font weight to thin and click Save. You can see the change right away. You can also do the same for body fonts. Additionally, you have options to change button fonts and navigation fonts. These font settings apply to the navigation menus in the header and to all buttons across the site. Next, we have the accent font, which we'll cover in our next video. After that, we have desktop font sizes. From here, you can change all heading font sizes from H1 all the way to H6, as well as the body font size. These settings apply only to desktop devices. The same options are available for mobile font sizes. To change any font size, simply click the selector and choose the size you want. As always, once you're happy with the changes, click the Save button to apply them. So this is how we manage all our fonts from a single point in Kajabi.